why don't we come in and I'll show you guys how to activate the automatic parking. There's two ways to do it. They made it a little bit easier on the brand new BMWs compared to the times of past. So with the older BMWs, with iDrive 7 or iDrive 8 with this system, I think iDrive 7, you'd basically have to click this parking button before you came across the lines. Now it automatically does it. So even with this off, you just drive past the parking spots. Once you've passed the parking spot where you think you want to go into, you put it into reverse, and then it says, here's the parking spots. And you can even do now forward parking. Before it was only reverse or parallel, now it could even do forward parking. But for this example, we're just gonna do reverse parking. So give that a tap, monitor the surroundings. Which parking spot do you want to go into? It sensed that there's 2 parking spots back there, and you can see on the screen it's moving to which one. We'll go there, and then you release the brake. And compared to the old system, it gives you a line of where the car is going to go. It gives you the parking space on the ground, and it now senses the lines. Before, it would only sensor the cars and it would put you beside the cars. Now it senses the white lines, and it's going to put you in between the white lines. So the BMW parking systems, I think this is literally the best self-parking system on the market. I haven't experienced a better one. If you guys think that another vehicle has a better self-parking system, please let me know in the comments down below. I'd be happy to go test drive that vehicle to find out what it is like. But yeah, this hands-free, gas and brake, puts you in the lines. This is one of the best self-parking systems that I've experienced. All right, guys, that's all I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on our next video.